In this video you will learn how many views I have in my Pinterest pins. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the very end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you trying it from yourself. So first step, you have to open your Pinterest app. Now you have to click on this profile icon in the bottom of your screen. Now you will have an interface like this. So I want you guys to know that you have to first make sure your account is a business account. If your account is a personal account, so please convert your account into a business account, and after that you will have an option called statics. So now you have to simply click on statics. After that you have to select a pin which you want to see a views. Let's say I want to see views of this post. So for that, first of all, you have to open this post, and now you will see an option called pin stats. So now you have to click on this pin stats option. After that, as you can see, their impression, their pin clicks, saves, outbound clicks, profile visit, and follows. And that's how you can see of your post views. So if this video helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.